Okay, quiz 38. So notice with this circuit that the toggle switch T, when it's 1, or when it's 0, we just simply get Q. And then when the toggle switch is 1, we get not Q. So, and everything is, this thing shifts on a rising clock. So on this rising clock, the input is 0, so it's just going to pass through Q, and Q is equal to 0. So this is just going to be 0 until we get up to this rising clock. When this rising, when the clock rises here, now the T is equal to 1, so we're going to get not Q. And so Q is equal to 0, so at this point we're going to rise up to 1 all the way over to this rising clock. In this case, T is still 1, which means that we're going to get not Q, and since Q is 1, it'll shift back down to 0 until this rising clock. T is now 0, and so it's going to pass through Q. Q is 0, so it's just going to continue 0 until we get to this clock. At that point, T is 1, so it's going to not Q. Since Q is 0, it's going to go up to 1 until we get to this clock. Now the input, now T is equal to 0, so we're going to just get Q. And since Q is 1, then we'll just continue like that. And there's the timing diagram for the circuit.